Week 10, we're officially in the last third of the semester. We have exam 2 this week, same format as exam 1, and I'll post some more information in the announcements on the exam. The exam is focused on kinetics, both linear and angular kinetics. So no Newton's laws of motion, no sum of forces acting on the object equals mass times acceleration of the object, no sum of torques equals I alpha, no FD perpendicular for torque, no parameters, definitions, equations, and units. And know some of the other things that we've done in the semester. I may ask a question on center of mass, but because that's of the same week, there's very little information on this test on center of mass, or the aerial tricks is a little bit covered last week. Because I presented angular impulse, angular momentum relationship, so we need to know that, as well as impulse momentum relationship. All right, so be prepped for exam 2 and watch these videos as well. And this is sort of a fun week because I am talking about center mass. I've given a couple of different examples on how to find center mass. Well, one by cutting out a piece of cardboard, really silly. And then I also go through a silly example of trying to touch your toes and why we need to know center of mass and angular kinetics and why we can't touch our toes in some situations. And this leads into something more complex by looking at what's happening with gait and having a dynamic, stable gait pattern, that we're not falling as we're walking or running or doing other activities as well. Then I go into some aerial tricks because I try to emphasize the angular impulse, angular momentum relationship. That's important to understanding aerial tricks. And then I put in just a funny video of a cat landing. This is not my video. I could probably do this with my cat, but this person already did it. And he has a nice video series on getting smarter every day. And so it's sort of a cute little video that he did. And it has to deal with angular impulse, angular momentum relationship. All right, so week 10, exam 2, and we're getting into defining center of mass, center of gravity a little bit more, and emphasizing angular impulse, angular momentum. All right, be sure to jump into the Zoom rooms if you want to explore the content at a deeper level. Thanks so much.